Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Jordan, and welcome to this new channel named Tinyhouse Media. This is the introduction video to just quickly give you all a recap or grasp of what we're going to do on this channel. And this channel it's an online tutorial or research channel or community where we're going to go over the most recent plugins or scripts or After Effects techniques or Illustrator techniques or Photoshop or Premiere Pro. This channel will mainly be focused on motion graphics for now, because that's what I specialize in. And of course, it can grow to other art resources like 3D modeling or character animation. So just to give you guys a quick look of what type of things we will be covering on this channel, pulled up a bunch of videos that I just did in After Effects or Flash. This was done in After Effects, and this could be one of the tutorials where I talk about how I even did this. It's super quick. This was probably like 10-15 minutes of time just to make in particular, which is a trap code plugin, which can be found here. It's Red Giant Trap Code. Depending on what kind of requests anyone has, I'll be going over whatever plugins I have, like Trap Code, and I even have Robite Plexus and Video Copilot, all the well-known plugins. And of course, there's plugins there's scripts and plugins that not a whole lot of people know, like Duik. I use Duik for rigging characters like a lot of the time, and I mainly use it for the easing controls. A few other examples that we'll go over on this channel. This was just made in Cinema 4D and in After Effects using Shine, a trap code plugin, a few other effects. Just something super quick and simple. Another one would be this one. This was made in Nodes, which is an After Effects plugin, creating this environment. Another one would be this one, which is also Nodes. Pretty cool, pretty neat. Even like techniques like this with my current logo. I can also go over some advanced tracking techniques that I did with these swords. I'll take any requests for any type of tutorials, whether that be motion graphics or modeling or anything that you want. And we'll go from there. I have a few things in mind, and of course those won't be requested. Those are, because this is brand new, those will be things that I'm going to make up. But yeah, any requests. So we do have a Facebook page, and there's literally nothing on it because it was just made recently, and it's just this. That's all it is. And of course we have our YouTube channel. Again, nothing there, but there will be, of course. I hope you guys stay tuned, and thanks for watching.